That's a very good call.
Yeah.
The 1992 Constitution of the Republic, Article 63 clause 3, how a president can be elected.
Yeah.
There be a article no say mekanya ade ba ko a refer madwen the see of Bible mu David.
Yeah.
Omra odwan olusu ba ko a oja dodo no hokofa ba ko ne beka ho no 50% plus 1 vote. 87.9 obia ho hia. Obia ho hia. NPP ona we the communication director of the party. Santemantema, which is a stronghold of the party.
Yes.
Alan a big fish in the party. Lawyer say, "Omweni swadi hunu so mesadi Alan aba party ni mo back." You as an executive member of the party, no, when you swadi hunu ni say.
I mean, your message do asibi na lawyer kase. Ombeko akofa Kyerematen aba party no. Any problem? What you say? If we say ye de dodo na eye party ana amayo a ye nyina ye no. Alan ye nya ne boni o. What you say? Obia enya ne boni. Obia entete Alan. Na emomu no minia ekwan a yewura Kyerematen say odi gina so afri party ni mu no. Ene ye chirechiremu a kire nkrofo. Onu ana semo ochiro you. Osi wahu ni say yes skill. Si e kasi yes skill bibia say odi bibia hye nika bu no. Ye chinchimu amana dani say afeko abewie say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. That wasn't the case. Etina me say ye reala wo yira right from day one. Party ni kire wo mo e wo so mo to special delegates elections. Former president, constituency chairman, MPs, what you say, regional executives. One go share womo. Oba na unam dwom central mark. Omo nto abani bi. Eti eno nye ye na SQ. Wu na wayira. Number 2. Ye ran lance. Ne agent na ye bu no north east woni ntino. Widespread violence. Minia ye ka bibi say widespread that is their lawyer ka say brofo ni ade. Dia minim kakra ni say esi wo babia. But we ensem choni Evans. Ade na esi wo babia. What you say? In any case, Northeast wonu kra esi ye no kra no. Yemfa omo moto aba e wo Northeast ho nyina da. Yemfa ma ewura Alan. Would it change an election? Would it change the results of the election? And I will cast ye chinchimu say and farmer, and then ye chinchimu ya who could di third ya can so ebedi second. And I want to the can I say if ye chinchimu dia, send your own was and go di second. Nti chinchimu ya say chinchimu ma Kennedy ebedi second ana. That wasn't the case. Eti ne semwa original swakono. And ye chire machen for say or party in joining a political party no a voluntary. What you say? Until we say we need to explain to people. Nientia ujina so awoko. And onwa semo osatro mu say with immediate effect. Na party ni mozo no. We say we resign with immediate effect. You forfeit your lawyer nim. Sadie we. You forfeit your membership. Akoma FM 87. What you say? Edu niema wo ne party na ye nyina no. Asa adwuma wo se wa resign ya. Iti laptop wo hwa ye ma enka wo. Ye ma laptop no ga bugo ne ye pe wa se wo de wo pictures, wo yire pictures go so nti. Ye ma enka wo. It won't happen. You have to submit it. So what I say? Nti ye mpamu ye rala. In fact na do danko akofo. The trade ministry trade and industry mini asema yaka me kwaya na blemu Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia e economy gra na menti ase economy no enye trade and industry na gina so Evans trade and industry no nya no ni economy no esikasem kwa enye trade edwadie no meme Paul na de maame etina na do anya na bro or the whole ministry like trade and industry ashe wonsa na wan kasana no wan bon ho bra what you say omo mudi wachi how did you empower them? You didn't what you say omo no mudi wachi nyina da every wachi ti wa na wan bo hu so obi eni ho a o tete ewura lan enti wo se wo kofa na ba ye de wa se na mom no onu ana sem a wo ka se wo free mu no o ti ase no there we have to explain to people and I was saying ka se obi o pese o change we bia obi o kasa tintin anyway hey papa ya friend ni ansa na ye program ya se friend say Mutala Muhammad o kasa sin obi a o Ghana kasa se utie no ahwe na program ye nkasa bi ede anu watima ya man nkrofo eti e kasa dia enka Mutala mu wa ye number 1 wo da ya tie no wo so asemu a wo kasa wo wiase mu nyansa nyina enso de anu watima ye eti no enye ade a kasa chesi an ba bi aduru ya adwin ehia o Evans adwin obi kwasemo ko say you don't need to work hard, you need to be smart. Chesi afon e kuranya smartphone Evans say ajejemi yoyo smartphone na ukra so ati say bibia say ya adwin eti ye hia obi a he will think outside the box aboyen a lawyer say aka indicators na we man ni mu no enkyere say aban no minia in a wiase ayete no you have to know the effect of eniema so insunsanso what I say one kasa wabrabo eni se ne awototo oniema no ewo ne hu insunsanso ansa na obi susu eye bibitia wa eno susu wo insunsanso ansa na nyame ye don ni ono susu ye bibitia wa ewo hu insunsanso. Check the performance of MPP from 2017 to 2019. Check us. Check it. Until COVID, ye can COVID minia na bada say yanka microphone e ba nka ne ma boboya no be ba me ohro mensa me wan hu bi ogana ha. Minia wan hu. So we cannot say sa de no enya yeso nsuaso. Ewiase mu nyina da. It happened. What you say? UK, bisa UK. How many prime ministers normal change it? Bisa ho. How many we and some chana then even so here many UK asema ye kan. How many prime ministers lawyer mama kata no. What you say? How many prime ministers? Ni nyina economic eniema enkoso ho. Eniema enkoso die ye fa wemna ni nyina say ye pese ye eniema ejina yie entia. I tell you say Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, wabone humode pa. Na semwa ye raken, o say a friend is ni dollar na 40 million. Say atiaba say 30 you say 120. Na at any minute Dr. Mahmoud Baumia me say jemu mo ama dollar ni na kra sansa. What dey can say? But the fact of the matter is that if we are seeing no there's a problem. There's a problem ye nyina yes utie na nadu speech no e wo UN utie did you listen? People don't listen to the man. They don't listen to the man. He's so passionate about how ye nyina globally ye beti ma bua peja nipa sitting because it affected everybody. We must know say it's not the doing of MPP because ye buy you know the first project and another year free SHS. Check it John Mahama. Ni 200 days schools no ka say obesi no. Check it year was start here. What you say? Check it time was start here. But now do ni first year na no ni say 2017 ya September na nkura no after free SHS. Now check it John Mahama. Ni 200 days schools no. Was starting no 3 years to ni obewie and o share sad na say. So I tell you say the party no you with the development of Ghana for at heart. It is a nyema bi 10 na say global ye nyina ye ho kire na. You don't sit here and say things. She say you Abdume I'm coming from America and when accommodate yet minia aban ben no person accommodate nkrofo. Aban ben even your mama cry or say oba obema enipa ho aton. Do mama mpo enim say the six form economics no won go suya bi nka ho. Ono kra say obema economy na sesa. Na ado. Ana Dr. Mahmoud Baumia PhD in economics. Timinia yanko so anya gidie. Enne me catch them before. Mumbo mo ho so. If alternative no. Enye. Even ye buy ya light isisu eni ho kwa o. I'm telling you. eni hokwa as a result of covid it even so ya na uhemanim enye game na wa hai game nya na omasese omne makọ ubisa omze dent na omasese omne makọ and you don't know the effect of covid game na mune ni di hwehwe ni mu den na game eno so na nado na apam no ana ba omia na apam no ba omia na apam game for they cannot survive. There was a company from Red Bed omo na supplies hospital friends malaria kits near there they are also wine 87.9 it is covid asema year kano enya asem ketwa it has effect on the economy yenyina nya botre yenya rehemu yentwen rather than say ya yehu ye kasa ebu nipa bem ye raken ye dono we party ni we so passionate but see ansem a work at say there would letter you better so am a lawyer ye basa
all right
lawyer ye basa
lawyer
but asem wa kano and they are looting as if there's no I feel they will say and yes I did a video which is so bad
all right enti